It is a shame. All right, well, it's an unfortunate side effect of the coronavirus pandemic. As people are trying to reduce their risk from the virus, poison control centers are reporting an increase in calls related to cleaning products. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a look at the dangerous mistakes that some people are making. Doc?
Yeah, Kim, this is not surprising given that most people are cleaning far more than they usually clean. And as cleaning supplies have run low, many people are using products that they may not have used before. But there is a real risk for you and your family if you are not careful.
The public has gotten the message that cleaning and disinfecting are key to fighting the coronavirus. But as cleaning has increased, so have chemical exposures to cleaning products. Take a look at this graph. Poison control centers received over 45,000 calls between January and March. That is a 20% increase compared to the same time period last year. The researchers also found the daily number of calls increased sharply at the beginning of March. Bleaches, non-alcohol disinfectants, and hand sanitizers were most often to blame. The majority of calls involved children under the age of 5. Now, in one case, a woman trying to disinfect her groceries mixed bleach, vinegar, and hot water in her sink. The resulting fumes caused her to have difficulty breathing and sent her to the hospital. In another case, a preschooler drank hand sanitizer left on a kitchen table and developed a blood alcohol content more than 3 times the legal limit for driving. Both recovered, but are examples of the everyday dangers. The CDC says to reduce your risk from cleaning products and sanitizers, always follow the directions on the label. Do not mix chemicals or products. You can unintentionally create a toxic mix. Wear protective gear like gloves. Use these products in a well-ventilated area, and always store chemicals out of the reach of children.
Yeah, and the toxic gas problem is actually a serious issue that I have firsthand knowledge of. Back when I was in high school, so that was a long time ago, I worked at a restaurant, and one day when I was cleaning up with bleach, I thought to myself, if bleach is good, bleach and ammonia has to be better, right? Well, it's not. When you add bleach and ammonia together, it releases a toxic gas that's actually related to chlorine, and I promise you will only make that mistake once. Back to you.
Really good reminder for everybody, because these products, they kill the virus, but they can also just be very harmful to us as well, people that use them. And like you say, we're using different things because the supplies are so low. All right, we appreciate it very much, Frank.